Okay, so what I've decided to do is upgrade the manifolds. These are the original ones that were on the vehicle, and then I bought some used 85, 86 manifolds that are supposed to be better in terms of airflow. Supposed to provide a little bit more horsepower. They're way lighter. I can tell you that much. Also, it bothered me quite a bit that these were so rusted out. It turns out the previous owner had broken at least one stud on each side, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to fix that. And I don't know why. I want to say the previous owner had possibly removed the engine at some point. In addition, I purchased the X pipe, so I'm hoping everything's gonna fit. On Ren list, it does indicate things do fit, but there's possibly a gap that I'll have to figure out how to make a piece for. I'm gonna put everything back together and then see where that gap exists, and then obviously fill it. But it was pretty difficult to remove these. I'll show the video on that after this little intro. But yeah, everything was rusted, and it wasn't that easy. Anyways. Okay, so these are the headers or manifold, however they're referred to. So these are the stock ones that are pretty rusted, and then also I guess it's cast iron. It doesn't have as good of a airflow as the next generation, which is 85, 86, the 5.0 liter, I think. So that's what I purchased, and if you can see, I've sprayed some penetrating oil on these bolts yesterday, so I let it soak overnight, and I'm gonna try to remove them. My fear is that a stud or something will break, or a bolt will break, and that will be significant. So I'm gonna also detach these here. So those are 13, and this is 12. But on some of them, it's so rusted that it's hard to actually get the socket or the wrench on it. So, anyways, I worked on one yesterday. I was pretty happy with the fact it was coming out. Oh, beautiful. Oh, man, that was so deep. Holy crap, it's so difficult. Oh. Okay, what I'm going to do is take these out first, right? Well, yeah, beautiful.
Okay. So I think there's another stud that is broken right there. So I have to figure out how to fix that. But the driver's side came out a lot easier than the passenger side.